welcome to a new video. This is Nishma from the Millennial Lifestyle Fix. In today's video, I am comparing Urban Company or Urban Clap with your local salon services so that you guys can know which is the best one to pick whenever you want to go for a salon services. So I recently went to my local salon and I have of course been using Urban Company or Urban Clap salon services for a long time. So I thought it would be a good idea to compare these two for you guys. So I've made a whole list. I have all the features that we are going to be comparing as well as Urban Company and Urban Clap, and which one takes home the price is what we are going to find out in this video. So first let's go and see my recent trip to the salon, and then we'll come back to this and we'll be discussing all the points which we'll be comparing for both. So let's go to the salon. Service to my local salon, and I've gone to my local salon after a very long time. Honestly, I don't use salon services that very often because I always believe in doing DIYs, and I share all my DIYs on my Instagram. So if you're not following me, go and follow me on Time Traveling Shutterbug, because that is where I post all my DIYs, and so I avoid going to the salon. But sometimes you just really need it, and so I'm going to make this comparison list for you guys so that you guys can make an informed decision. Head right into this video and start comparing the features, where we'll be comparing Urban Clap versus local salon. So the first feature over here is of course without a doubt the price of these services. So I'm going to take three things and compare the price for both, and these are the same things that I've actually gone and taken the service from my local salon, so I know the prices. So I went ahead and checked the same price for those services on Urban Company, and I have the prices listed here. So pedicure is something that I got done. Then secondly, I did the fruit cleanup, and thirdly, I did my arms honey waxing. So the price for pedicure, fruit cleanup and honey arm wax is over here for Urban Company, and the same for local salon. So you can compare and see there is a clear and vast difference. If you total these things up for Urban Company, these three services will cost you 1,498, so approximately 1,500 rupees. Whereas if you take it from your local salon services, it will be around 950 or 1,000 rupees. So there is a clear 500 rupee difference in the price between these two. So that is the first point, that the price of your local salon of course takes it away because it is cheaper compared to Urban Company or Urban Clap. Now please keep in mind that these prices that I have mentioned over here is after 30 or 40% discount, but Urban Company always has 30 or 40% discount. So these will be the general prices around what you would be getting it. And I also want to mention that just recently Urban Company has launched something which is like Prime versus Luxe. So there'll be the same kind of services you can get in Prime, and then they'll be using more superior products with more professional people who would be giving you the services in the Luxe category. So these prices are for the Prime category. So point number one, which was the price, is where your local salon is definitely cheaper. And if you are on a budget, and then I would definitely recommend that you should go to your local salon, because you will be able to save a lot of money over there. So let's go ahead and check out point number two. Is of course about hygiene, because right now we are living in the post-lockdown COVID situation where the vaccines are rolling out, but of course hygiene is important with or without COVID. Now I personally have visited a lot of local salons even back in Manipal and now in Bangalore, and I have seen Urban Company services all the time. And I would personally say that Urban Company takes it away for hygiene. They ensure all the hygiene measures. They are wearing gloves, they are wearing masks, they sanitize everything before starting your service. Everything is of course sterilized before you use it. Whereas in your local salon, I think they're still not as hygienic, because you're not really very sure about like what has been sterilized or not. Of course they put it in the hot water, and but a lot of things are being reused, like all the machines, the beds, and a lot of other things. So I feel in terms of hygiene, Urban Company is a sure winner over there, and without a doubt I would recommend Urban Company if hygiene is your first priority when it comes to salon. Point number 3 is about how professional the person who is coming for your salon services or attending to you is. So I feel that Urban Company is definitely more professional, because all the people who are sent to you are very, very well trained, and I have felt that when I have gone to local salons versus using Urban Company services. Like just recently, I can give you an example. So when I went to my local salon and I was getting a fruit cleanup done, so in that they were going to remove my blackheads, and they have put the steam, like the steam machine on, so it's like getting hot so that I can take steam. But the lady over there, she's just starting to like remove my blackheads without even giving me the steam, and then I have to go in and tell her that can we just wait for the steam, because then it will become easy to remove the blackheads. So just small things like this. And also I feel like the way they do the cleanup, so I feel like especially for facials and cleanups, anything related to your skin, I feel Urban Companies, like the people who come from Urban Company, the professionals, are really well trained, and of course they only enroll them and hire them after giving proper training, and they keep on getting training all the time. So I feel like Urban Company definitely has a standard when it comes to how professional the salon person is who is attending to you, whereas in local salon it's just like a little bit of training. Yes, of course there are local salons where they're like really professional and have been doing that for a very long time, but it's very subjective and it keeps on changing from salon to salon, whereas in Urban Company you are ensured a standard when you're using their services. And of course in Urban Company you also have the option of selecting the same person or the same like lady to come and do the salon services for you, so you can make sure that you have the same person coming in who you are comfortable with. So even when it comes to professional or the standard of salon services, I'm going to give it for Urban Company, because they really maintain a standard, and I think that their services in terms of how professional the person is top notch. Point number 4 is about how many people can get the service at the same time. So if you talk about Urban Company, if one person can book a service from their phone for a time slot. So let's say that I book from 3:30 to 4:30, so I will be getting the services during that time slot. And of course I can book 2 eyebrows, so like for me and my mom or my sister, but it will only be like after my eyebrow is done that the second person would be able to get it done, because there'll be only one professional who is coming, unless you all have an app and you all book it for the same time slot with different professionals. So that is something to consider. Whereas if you go in your local salon and the salon person is available, they have a few other people like catering to them, so all of you can get your services done at the same time if you have taken an appointment and if they have more people on hand to tend to you. So that is something in terms of time, and sometimes just for the sake of the experience, like you just want to go to the salon and go with your friends or your family and just get everything done together. So for that I think local salon gives like a vibe where you can just go chill and talk while getting yourself pampered, whereas in Urban Company that will only happen if all of you have the app and all of you book at the same time and all of that works out. So those are some things that you should keep in mind while choosing what you want to go for. Let's go on to point number 5. Point number 5 is of course about convenience. In Urban Company you get the salon services at your home. You do not have to step out, you do not have to take any sort of transportation, whereas in your local salon, if it is close to your house, then well and good, you can of course go and do it. Otherwise you would have to like go to the salon wherever it is located. But at the same time, for a local salon, I would give them a point that if you are running some errands like going to the supermarket or going to work and you have a salon right over there, then you just have to drop by and get something done. That is something that me and my friends always used to do. So we would always go and get our eyebrows done just when we had a work break, so that would really help us stay groomed. Versus for Urban Company, you really have to find the time, book the slot, and of course Urban Company has a minimum price limit, so you can only get services if your total bill amount is 650 rupees. Whereas in the salon, in your local salon, you can just go and get your eyebrows done or your waxing done. There is no minimum amount that you need to fulfill. So I will say, if you're using Urban Company, you of course have to plan, maybe get it once a month and plan everything out what you need to do. Whereas in your local salon, it's more flexible. You just drop in, you can go in during your errands or your work. So those are the pros and cons when it comes to the point of convenience, which is point number 5. To shoot this video, I had asked on my Instagram that what is some of your thoughts on this matter, whether you want to go for Urban Company or your local salon, or what are your thoughts. And I got one reply and I'm really happy about that, so I'm going to put it over here. So my friend Jyotsna said that it is very convenient to use Urban Company because they come to your home, and I really agree with her. So thank you so much for replying to that. And now let's go ahead and get on. Now coming to the last and final point, which is point number 6, which is about some services that you can get at a local salon but not in Urban Company or Urban Clap services. So this is about hair wash and hair steaming. So whenever you do a hair spa, you would of course have hair wash included and your hair steaming included. But when it comes to Urban Company services, what they do is they will like give you a steam with a hot towel. So like they'll put the towel in water, squeeze out the water and put it on your head. Whereas in the local salon, you will actually get to sit with the steam machine and get your hair steamed, and then they will also wash it for you. So that hair wash and hair steam service at the local salon is not available in Urban Company. So that is a major con, because if you're getting your hair spa, of course you do not want to do these things just in a mediocre way, because you are paying your money's worth and you want to get all of it. So I would recommend going to a local salon if it is for a hair spa, hair oil and hair wash is what you're looking for. Then definitely go to your local salon. As it happens, it is a tie. Urban Company has 3 points and local salon has 3 points. Urban Company has won in terms of being more professional, being more hygienic, and convenience of getting services from your home. And the local salon has won when it comes to price point. Secondly is 2 or more people getting services at the same time, and third is getting hair wash and hair steam, which is not available with Urban Company. So I will say it is up to you which services you want to use, because if you're looking for someone who is more professional, hygienic and convenience at home, then of course go for Urban Company. If price is a big concern for you, which I know it is for many people, and you do not want to spend 650 rupees every time, you just need to do 1 or 2 things quickly, and you want to go with your friends, I would say pick your local salon, because they are here to stay for sure, as you have seen in this video. So if there is something that you are thinking which I have not covered in this video, which can help me break this tie, please leave it in your comments and I'm going to go ahead and read those. Also tell me, what is your preference? Do you prefer local salons or do you prefer Urban Clap services? Of course, Urban Company or Urban Clap services for salon are not available in all the cities in India. They are only restricted to a few cities, so that is also a point to consider over here. So tell me, what are your thoughts on this video and which one would you prefer to go? Would it be a local salon or would it be Urban Clap? And please be sure to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification button so every time I upload a video you get notified. If you're seeing me for the first time, please do consider subscribing. It would mean a lot, and share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Until then, this is goodbye and take care from me, Nishma, from the Millennial Lifestyle Fix. Bye bye.